Say hello to Lotus's brand new Hyper GT 4-door saloon car, the Emeya. Inspired by the first electric hypercar, the Emeya. Now, if you see the looks, it's completely inspired by the generation of Lotus electric cars, and it looks absolutely spectacular in the traditional shade of Lotus yellow. Now, obviously, since Lotus is going completely EV, this has a dual motor setup. Comes in 3 trim options, starting from close to 605 horsepower, going all the way up to 908 horsepower. 0 to 100 times are close to 2.8 seconds, and 0 to 200 kilometers per hour times are close to 9 seconds. Yes, in this world of hyper speed, this car delivers. Now, what is the range that we're going to be looking at from this kind of car? Well, we're going to be looking at close to anywhere between 450 kilometers, depending on which setup you take, all the way up to 610 kilometers. It comes with 5 different driving modes, comes with a 15-inch touchscreen inside, and Lotus claims that it has a 55-inch large heads-up display. Now that I'm looking forward to seeing. But 4 doors, Hyper GT style, looks fabulous. Comes with lightweight carbon ceramic brakes as well as standard. This is a car I'm looking forward to driving around the track. Brand new interiors. This touchscreen is supposed to be as responsive as a PS5, and the audio system on this is from a British audio maker known as KEF. The entire profile of the car is very aerodynamically designed and has a very low coefficient of drag. The rear profile looks very interesting and has a very signature look. Now, the pricing in the UAE is close to 450,000 dirhams and goes up all the way to 600,000 dirhams for the top-end spectrum. This car directly competes with the Porsche Taycan. The market for a Hyper GT 4-door sports car is getting tougher and tougher day by day.